Good evening, everyone. I am Rahul Gupta, member Punjab State COVID Control Room. Today is the 57th day of sharing information regarding COVID-19 in the state. COVID-19 world figures are confirmed cases 48 lakh 33,000, recovered cases 18 lakh 72,000, dead 3 lakh 17,000. For India, the figures are confirmed cases 96,492, recovered cases 36,824, dead 3,042. As of now in Punjab, total positive cases are 1980, which is an increase of 16 over yesterday's figures. Recovered cases are 1547, total lives lost so far 37. Punjab government has planned not to extend the curfew. However, lockdown will continue from today till 31st May with the following relaxations. Within the red and orange zones, containment zones and buffer zones will be demarcated by the district authorities after taking into consideration the guidelines of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. In the containment zones, only essential services will be allowed. Outside the containment zones, the movement of individuals and all the non-essential activities shall remain prohibited from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Persons above 65 years of age, persons with comorbidities, pregnant women, and children below the age of 10 years shall have to stay home except for essential requirements and for health purposes. Prohibited activities are as follows: schools, colleges, coaching institutions, hotels, restaurants. Hotels and restaurants other than those which are used by the state government for housing the stranded people or for quarantine purposes. Cinema halls, malls, shopping complexes, gymnasiums, swimming pools, parks, theatres, bars, auditoriums, assembly halls shall remain closed. All social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious functions cannot be held. All religious places and places of worship too shall remain closed. Movement of buses and vehicles. Interstate movement of passenger vehicles is allowed only with the mutual consent of the states. Flying of passenger vehicles and taxis and rickshaws is allowed subject to compliance of the standard operating protocol issued by the State Transport Department. Opening of shops. All shops except the malls shall be allowed to open between 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. However, for shops situated in the main bazaars, market complexes, ready markets, and other crowded places, the district authorities can exercise their discretion, and in order to avoid overcrowding, they can stagger the opening of the shops. Barber shops and haircut salons are allowed to open subject to the compliance as issued by the health department. Sports complexes and stadiums are allowed to open but without spectators. Industries and industrial establishments, all categories are allowed to operate in both rural and urban areas without obtaining any separate permission. Construction activities are allowed without any restriction in both urban and rural areas. Agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, veterinary sciences are allowed to open without any restriction. E-commerce is permitted for all goods. Government and private offices are allowed to open without any restriction. No passes are required for people to travel to their offices between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. District authorities, however, in order to avoid crowding at the offices, stagger the times of the offices. However, minimal staff should be made to attend the office and the rest should be asked to work from home. Social distancing and wearing of masks shall remain compulsorily. Despite grave threat posed by the corona pandemic, government has successfully procured 124 lakh metric tons of wheat this season and has already paid 19,000 crores to the farmers of Punjab. 4,000 mandis were set up so as to ensure safe social distancing and other safety parameters. 8 of the 16 COVID-19 positive policemen in the state have been discharged from the hospitals after full recovery. Punjab Police has set up 78 quarantine centers all over the state for the protection and welfare of its personnel. You too remain safe and take all precautions. That is all for today. Thank you.